Hello guys, I'm Bobby and welcome back to the Mile High Nomads. It's been a while since we've posted a video, but today we'll be back with some mountainous adventures. We're gonna go to Shelton and pick Bailey's sister up for her birthday. From Shelton, we will make our way through the valley to Yakima Airport where we're gonna have lunch. When we take off from Yakima, I will climb to 12,000 feet to give you guys a glimpse of one of the highest mountains and active volcano, Mount Rainier. When we pass Mount Rainier, we will make our way to Seaside, Oregon, where we'll stay for the night in a beautiful Airbnb. We're excited to take you guys along on this mountainous adventure, so please sit tight and enjoy the ride. Flight controls free and correct, up, elevators, and the rudder, free and correct, fuel selector both, trim set for takeoff, mixture full rich, throttle 1700, 2 clicks, 1, 2, drop, return. Alright, that's us for the checks. Tacoma is 118.5. 118.5 because we're gonna call them to cross their airspace. And then income 2, I'm gonna put 12405. Clear left, clear right.
Clear prop.
So there's someone in the downwind over there. Auburn traffic, Skylane 9 Mike Alpha is taking off runway 35, departing to the east, Auburn. Alright, lights, camera, action. Alright, and full throttle. Tacoma Towers, Skylane 759 Mike Alpha, 8 miles to the east. Would like to transition to the west, level 2000.
Cessna 759 Mike Alpha, Tacoma Tower, transition approved. Altimeter 3038, maintain at or above 2000.
At or above 2000, 3038, 759 Mike Alpha, transition approved. Alright, so we are crossing Seattle. We're crossing Tacoma's airspace.
6 November Delta, follow the Cessna ahead of you, making a right turn into the right traffic pattern.
Right over the runway.
Roger, got traffic sight.
Oh yeah, there we are. Cessna 0 Papa Lima,
we're so close. Well, we just fly, we can get there in 20 minutes. That's so nice.
Yeah, we're almost at their airspace, and then I can start setting up for Shelton. When the winds is variable, we need to listen to any traffic being around there. So we're gonna turn on traffic. We're gonna get to our track. Sanderson field traffic, Skylane 9 Mike Alpha is 6 miles to the east, and we will be joining a right downwind runway 5, Sanderson. That's us in downwind. Alright, so drop, RB, and Shelton traffic, Skylane 9 Mike Alpha is turning right base, runway 5, full stop, Shelton. Beautiful. It's a beautiful thing that I got. Please.
Hey, I want you, honey.
And 100,000 footers. Oh, that was a pretty good landing.
That was a really good landing.
It's, you know, like pancakes. The first one of the day isn't great.
They're all great in my head.
I put you guys next to each other.
Shelton traffic, Skylane 9 Mike Alpha is taking off runway 05 with a departure to the east. Shelton. All right, ready?
Traffic Airco 3544 Hotel, turning right crosswind for runway 5, Shelton.
All right.
Right crosswind 23, climbing to the northwest.
Autopilot on. KTIW, 20 miles.
Ah! All right, Dean, your turn. Drive the plane.
All right, guys, so we will see the I-90 soon. As soon as we're over the I-90, we're gonna follow it through the valley.
Autopilot mode.
We're gonna go past Snoqualmie, see some beautiful mountaintops, make our way to Yakima, and have something to eat.
Perfect.
What is that, like, skinny mountain on our left that's like, it looks like a pyramid, you know?
Like Mount Fuji.
That one?
Yeah.
I think that's Baker.
Okay, okay. So crazy how small Seattle is. Like, Atlanta from up high is gigantic. So massive. And LA, same deal. Have you flown down to Seaside before?
Yeah,
Ooh.
once.
Oh, you have? Oh, that's so exciting.
All right, and the reason we fly over the highway, because I'm gonna be at low altitude, and it's pretty much like a 40-mile long runway, you know?
Nice. Hell yeah.
I remember when I was moving up here, and I was in LA at the time, and that airplane landed on the, on like I-5 or something.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Yeah, 2020.
Breaking news.
Breaking news, chaos on the busy 5 freeway this afternoon after a plane made an emergency landing. It happened on southbound 5 right by Via de la Valle, the off-ramp in Del Mar.
Are
I'm
we
hungry.
gonna fly through Mount Rainier's
You want a churro?
Do you have churros? Really? Where?
I got you, fam. Oh,
We got you, dog.
Did you get them from like a Mexican food truck or something?
Well, there's a bakery in Shelton that sells everything for like $1.50.
3 miles west, Lake
And it's so delicious. So we got some empanadas
That sounds really nice.
and some churros.
Cheers.
Stevens practice area, Skycatcher 5202 Bravo 3600 over the lake, maneuvering west, Lake Stevens. Southeast practice.
Leaving altitude.
What's up?
There's the base.
There's not a single cloud in the sky.
oh, it's amazing.
It is a Snoqualmie right under us. Basically, the plane should keep correcting itself. Like I hold it with like 2 fingers.
Yeah.
But we only have 10 knots of wind, which is
How much?
nothing for around here now.
Is it because we're heavy that we're bumping a bit?
No, just the plane, small plane. Heavy usually makes you a bit more stable.
Might be worth a look to your left.
Yeah, cool, eh?
When are you gonna get your watercraft landing thing?
As soon as I have my certified flight instructor, I'll get my single engine C.
Nice.
And then you could just stop by our our dock.
Yeah, exactly.
What's the highest you ever flown?
13,000. And I can only do that for half an hour because if I go above 12,500, after 30 minutes, I need to have supplemental oxygen.
Yeah.
And my passengers, I need to offer them supplemental oxygen from on 15,000 and more. And you have all the right to refuse it. Like, I can't force it to you.
But you don't want that hypoxia, man.
Yeah, exactly. Altimeter is set. Make sure it says required. Lights is required. And let's head straight for Yakima. Runway 27 is in use, which is the left pattern at 2,100 feet. Then I can go to 13325. Okay, he's turning base.
Horizon 2001, turn right, Alpha 4. Taxi to the terminal via taxiway Alpha, monitor ground point 9er. Alpha 4, taxi terminal via Alpha, monitor ground point 9er, Horizon 2001.
I have my landing clearance, so that means I don't have to report again. He's turning final. Jet just landed.
Yakima Tower to the Delta Kilo, we're going to land long.
Alaska Airlines.
Oh yeah.
Fortune 662, Delta Kilo, long landing is approved.
Or beam the numbers. First notch of
Leaving
flaps.
altitude.
Yakima Tower, November 6169 Bravo, 12 miles to the west, inbound full stop with Romeo. Over 6169 Bravo, Yakima Tower, enter right downwind, runway 27, full field. Right downwind for
It's so different when the plane is so heavy.
69 Bravo.
That's okay, you did great.
Remember 759er Mike Alpha, safe parking intentions.
We would like to go to Reno Restaurant, 759 Mike Alpha.
Cessna 759er Mike Alpha, no worries. Are you familiar with Reno's restaurant?
No, here for the first time, 59 Mike Alpha.
Cessna 759er Mike Alpha, no worries. Make a right turn on Alpha, continue taxiing on Alpha, cross runway 22 on Alpha.
Turn right now, Alpha, cross runway 22 on Alpha, 759 Mike Alpha. All right. Ta-da!
Oh, wow.
All right, go to tower. Yakima Tower, Skyhawk 759, Mike Alpha, holding short, runway 27, departure to the west.
Skyhawk 759er, Mike Alpha, Yakima Tower, departing in front of a Skyhawk on 3 mile final. Departure west, wind 100 at 4, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
27 clear for takeoff, 759 Mike Alpha. Lights, camera.
Yakima Tower,
action.
Warrior 3033 Delta is over the old microwave tower with information Tango and for landing. Traffic, runway 27, we're reporting midfield, 33 Delta.
Airspeed's alive. All in the green. A bit of the wind was variable, so it kind of changes all over the place.
Cessna 759er, Mike Alpha, no reported traffic for you to the west. Frequency change approved, good flight.
Frequency change approved. Thank you very much. 759 Mike Alpha. We just reached 10,000 feet.
So essentially there's less air resistance up here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's more efficient for flying, and I imagine it's cooler on the instruments.
Yeah.
You want to get about as high as possible, as fast as you can.
Not as fast as you can, just climb at high altitude. But also because the air is less dense, there's less air coming over the wings. So your climb performance goes down. Like I'm in a pretty high pitch up and I only climb 200 feet per minute. And this plane, like at sea level, we left, and it's 1,200 per minute.
Okay. Shit, that lake looks nice.
Practice area, Skyhawk.
Oh shit, I see animals.
Oh, really?
They're skiers or
Leaving
something.
altitude.
Where?
3,900.
Yeah, they're skiers.
Failure. Southeast.
Get there in about 40 minutes.
Not bad. So is this the Columbia River?
Cowlitz River.
Oh, the Cowlitz.
Yeah.
Cowlitz.
I spy another mountain peeking out past Mount Hood.
Yeah, that's the one I was talking about.
Because that's definitely Hood. I don't know what that is, though.
Oh, way further in the distance.
Yeah.
Mount Jefferson.
Oh.
Jefferson.
I've never heard of that before.
Arlington, where we landed the other day,
Yeah?
is right there. And that grass field
Yeah.
in the distance.
Oh, cool.
Toledo, sorry. I said Arlington, but it's north.
Oh, Toledo? I
Toledo.
skydived out of Toledo Airport. Yeah. That was my first time I went skydiving, was out of that one.
It's so the Toledo Airport is a crosswind landing. So the military built it to practice crosswind landings, and because we always in like Washington, Eastern Washington, we have north and south flows most of the time, depending on the time of year. So their runway is easterly to westerly.
Okay.
Just to practice crosswind landings. And it was pretty windy, so I landed like, whoop.
Oh boy.
So that right there is filled in from when it's all log jam because of when Mount St. Helens blew. That entire river is filled with mud.
Oh, it's completely dry now.
Yeah, it used to be a river.
Yeah.
So we're 11,000. Airport is sea level, so we need to lose 10,000 for traffic pattern altitude. 10,000 divided by 1,000 is 10,
about
times
3
3.
miles to the northwest.
30
Lake
nautical
Stevens,
miles.
just
We should start at the
300
a little bit earlier than that.
Lake Stevens.
So wind is missing. I think it's calm, but I'm still going to overfly the field at 1,500. Look at the wind sock, see where the wind is coming from, and then decide which runway I'm going to land.
Okay. Can we fly over Haystack Rock?
Where's that?
In Canna Beach? Fly over it?
Seaside. Here's Canopy.
Ah.
I'm just wondering if it's possible.
It's literally a 5-minute detour.
Yeah.
Yeah? That's so cool.
There's my favorite park in the whole world, is right there. God.
Keep an eye out for whales. Looking over the ocean is so peaceful.
Just like hundreds of birds right in there.
Those are puppets.
1 second.
You're a puppet. What? Cool, mate.
All right. Seats and seatbelt secure, autopilot off, make sure full rich fuel selector on both.
Thanks for flying over, babe. That was beautiful.
Yeah. Hey, that's cool.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. The wind is coming from that way. So I'm gonna go back to my 1,000 feet. I'm gonna get into a left downwind from runway 34 over the coastline. All set up. First notch of flaps. Seaside traffic, Skyline 9 Mike Alpha, standing left base, runway 1634, full stop, Seaside. All right, I'm landing on a bicycle lane.
Leaving altitude.
Seaside traffic, Skyline 9 Mike Alpha, turning final, runway 34, full stop, Seaside.
Oh, you got this. Easy money. That was good.
You did it! Holy shit!
Wow.
That was the first time. This thing's tiny. That's crazy. Just a circle.
So short field landing is usually a pretty hard landing because you want to reduce your float as much as you can because you need to brake before you hit the end of the runway. All right.
Yay, thank you.
Welcome to Seaside, guys.